Hi families! I am here to share another resource with you. It's optional. Hopefully you don't get interrupted. I got my whole clan with me. Bryson and the barking dog. But they look exhausted. So, fingers crossed. Here we go. ABC Mouse, I think, is a resource you guys hear on. I hear it on Nick Jr., I think Nickelodeon. And there's a way for us to have it for free during this time. So I want to offer it to you. I don't know how I'm feeling about this ABC Mouse. I'm not seeing a way that I can see things and give feedback, but if it's something you're interested in having and try it out, here we go. I did this on my phone, but I found I had to go to the internet and type in ABC Mouse /redeem, and then I found here it said ABC Mouse redeem. I clicked that. Then it brought me to this screen to type in a code. Here is the code I can absolutely send to you. So I put in the code, submit. It asked for my information. I made this for Bryson in my trial run. So I put in my personal email, not my teacher email, and a password for me to log in. When it did that, it took me to where I could download the app on my phone. So I went to downloaded the app. The app, after you download it, brought me to this page where I clicked log in. From there I entered my personal information, log in. If it ever asks you for a credit card, something's wrong. Don't put any credit card information in. I have a class list of your child's name and their gender. That's it. That's all I needed to create it, but I still don't. Bryson and I played around with it to see if what he did I could see. It didn't hold his attention span any bit, so I didn't get much done, but I'm not seeing that connection. But free resource if you want to use it. If you want to be in contact about using it, if you like it, you don't like it, that's great too. Any feedback? This is my first time doing all of this, so I don't know. Alright, talk to you guys soon.